Yeah guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a quick little C# rat after I did make a C# botnet. This one was more like a rat, which is a remote access Trojan. Once again, disclaimer, don't do this like this is only showing you like .NET socketing, because this is a perfect way to show it. .NET socketing, everything else. So let's get straight into it. We're just going to create a new project. This one's going to be a console application, so we'll go next. And then call it YT rat. Okay, so, and then, sorry, I've actually gone a bit too far. Now we're going to do add, new project, console application, and then do YT rat client. Alright, now go next, create it. Sweet. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to need to create a new TCP/IP socket for the remote access. So first thing we're going to do is IP endpoint. And we're going to be using system.net. Sweet. Now we can actually start. So then we're going to do IP endpoint is equal to new IP endpoint address any, which basically means it could be any address, so it could be 1.2.1.2 So this is the client, and now this is going to be the port. I'm just going to make the port 8080. Alright. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to use socket, and then rename the socket as socket, and then we're going to equal new socket, and then in brackets we're going to do address family dot internetwork comma socket type stream and protocol type dot TCP. We'll just be using a TCP route for this one. And then we're going to do socket dot bind IP endpoint. Alright, sweet. Next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to listen for a connection. So the socket dot listen, and then 10 dot listen. And then we're going to do socket, not socket dot client. Socket is equal to socket accept. Just add 10 in here. So this is when we're going to be receiving data. So we're going to be using the bytes to receive data. This is what we're going to be using here. And then int space received bytes is equal to client socket. All we need to do that is string. String. I have brain freeze there. Encoding dot ASCII dot getString dot buffer 0 received bytes. Sweet. Did all for us. Process so equal to new process. So this is just working out what sockets are and all that. And then process dot start info false, and then also you could to process dot start info dot window create no window, there it is equal to true, and then process dot start, so string response is equal to command successfully executed. Now all you gotta do is byte bond response buffer is equal to encoding ASCII dot response, and then client socket dot send buffer socket close. So socket line one. So that basically is opening the IP endpoint, and then socket space socket is equal to new socket, and then this time, yeah, that's, oh yeah, we could add protocol type.tcp because we were using TCP. Sockets, wrote that a bit too fast. Sockets dot connect IP endpoint, and now that we've connected to the rat, what we're gonna, let's actually not do this one. Oh, to right line, received data. Yeah. And then I'm actually gonna do console dot read line just before. And then byte, it's quite similar to the last one. Byte, byte command buffer, byte command buffer, encoding dot ASCII dot get bytes, and then command. Alright, and now all we need to do is socket dot send bytes. No, we don't need to go that far. And then we just close that off. Alright, now we got to receive a response from the server. Now we enter in, and then byte response buffer. Normally just autocorrects everything for me. New new byte. Oh Jesus, bytes, and then we're not obviously using 1 byte. We're using 1024. Anyways, int received bytes is equal to socket dot receive bytes, and then we just need to go like that. Comma 0, comma received bytes. Alright, and now we're going to display the response. So display, and then console right line, and then alright, now we're going to build it using Control Shift and B, and make sure that this debug is on debug. Hit Windows, repos, and then we'll go ytrat, and then go Control plus N, which will create the same folder window, and then we're going to go client debug net, and then on that one, and then we're going to go ytrat bin debug net. So now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the server. So the server is waiting, and then we're going to update this one, and boom, that fast it did that. So that fast it connected to our first rat server, which technically we didn't connect to it. It got connected to us. Alright, we can hit enter, disconnect both of these and close both of these sockets. Alright guys, so that was just the first episode of the series. Maybe make 2 or 3 more with some more features, and in the next one I'll be making a proper rat, like a commercial one, kind of like async rat or one of those. So yeah, look out for that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know how I did with the video. It's like one of my first time making a video on editing. But anyways, this was Neverwhere. Peace out, lads. Hope you enjoyed.